So, good morning. I have this stuff laid out here because I had to do a project, well, not a project, but a swap in my church group. And we have to make tags, but it had to be mostly washi tape. So I thought that I would try and create, something a little unique and a little different. And hopefully what I have, my thoughts match what's created, basically. So I'm going to move some of this stuff out of the way. And I'm going to show you how I started. And again, I hope that, it comes out okay. I hope you ladies are staying safe and that everyone is going to have a super duper Thanksgiving. I'm a little excited because I'm off. I got paper that was just laying around. I don't know what kits they came from, but it was mostly scraps. And I covered it, as you can see, with washi tape. So I tried to get along the colors, but then I didn't want to be too, like if it's a leaf, I didn't want to be too green. If it's a stem, I didn't want it to be too green or brown, so on and so forth. So this is my first time trying this, and I'm hoping, that it comes out okay. So for my leaves, and I don't even know what you would call these, like the botanical pieces, leaves, basically. I got up these 4 dies because I wanted to just use my sidekick. I didn't want to get anything too big. So let's start out with this one. And let's see how many. I guess I should have measured it. Let's start out. We could probably actually get 3 on here. So let's start out with this and see how it comes out. I've never cut washi tape in a like I've never die cut washi tape. So I don't know if I have to go over it a few times. Oh, one came off. So blooper number 1. And I'm okay with that. I'm not gonna even edit it out. That's the fun part of crafting and making mistakes. So it comes out okay. This is the first washi tape piece, I should say. So this is the one that didn't come out okay. So let's just start this one over. Let's take this piece out. Okay, so far it's those. And I'm not going to waste. So I'm going to try to get 2 more in here. Let's try this one. And then let's do the leaf again. And perhaps I should do this washi tape that I don't use very often. So I'll put washi tape so maybe that it'll stay in place. And then I'm gonna cut a few pieces. I'm not gonna talk. I'm just gonna kind of speed the video up and see how the pieces come out.
Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time. Pictures so perfect we play through, only cause you set up the angle. Web that you weave got us tangled, caught in what's before our eyes. Show off your fantasy reality, whoa, that's yours, but I'll keep doing mine. You'll be living your good life, catch a glimpse from the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. You'll be living your good life, catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see me now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. Beautiful people still make mistakes. It isn't perfection, what is it we chase? Bow for your 15 seconds of fame. It's your time. Give me the messy, give me the pain. A rose will not grow without the rain. I wanna be someone who says there's more than meets the eye. Show off your fantasy reality, whoa, that's yours, but I'll keep doing mine. You'll be living your good life, catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. You'll be living your good life, catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see me now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. Best foot forward, don't catch you slipping. Never know the things that you're feeling. Capture your body, get your best side. Breathe in the world, fake us a smile. Walking the lines, fine, but I hope one day you'll break the
Okay, so just know, I'm sure some of you do know this, that the tacky glue, it doesn't adhere as well to the washi tape. I mean, once it's dried, it'll stay, but as far as like wiping or for it to hold down, it doesn't hold. It dries up as almost like a, excuse the glue on my fingers, but almost like it has a film on it that can be peeled. So if you're going to adhere it with like your fingers, or press it down with something like a spatula, because it will move and it won't adhere. So just a tip for those that didn't know that. And I'm going to punch my hole I'm gonna figure this out in a minute here. Okay, so I'm going to punch my hole into the tag, and then I will figure out some kind of topper. You know, not at the moment, but I'll figure out a topper. So, I mean, it came out okay. This wasn't exactly my vision, but I mean, it's washi tape. So, I may come back and add, or I may call some of the ladies to see, like, what other rules we can break other than metal. And then I'm going to continue the rest off camera. I may add like a charm or something to it. So that's my washi tape tag. And as for the other ones, I'm going to ink, you know, a tag. And then, you know, Mod Podge this on and sew around, and then just continue. I think I've taken up enough time on camera. And then here's my other one. Again, a metal piece. I'm gonna have to call and see what the rules is. So as far as the tag, I'm going to ink it and then Mod Podge the napkin onto it. And then with this one, I was gonna actually try, once I Mod Podge the napkin on, I was going to actually try the washi tape over. Maybe it'll adhere better, and then just do my scenery around this particular bird as far as this one goes. Okay, ladies, you all have a happy weekend. If I don't see you back here, I will talk to you on the next video. Thanks for watching.